Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to deploy a project from GitHub to Netlify step by step. It is perfect for beginner in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to post your project to GitHub. First, make sure your website or app is ready pushed to GitHub repository. If you have not created a free GitHub account, make a new repo and push your project files using Git or GitHub desktop. So how you can do it? You just need to create an account. I already have an account. I'll just click to the sign in and I will click to the sign in, and then it will get an verification code. So I will get my verification code on my Gmail account. So I get it. So I'll copy the code and then I'll paste it here, and it already been verified. So here you just need to create your new repository. I already have a couple of repository here, so if you want to create one, you can create them. Then you just need to be sign up your Netlify account. So next, go to the netlify.com and sign up for a free account or login if you already have one. So here you can see I already have an account, maybe that's why I am getting this kind of option. So I'll click to the sign up with GitHub. Once I click over here, it is the easiest way, that's why I choose this one, but you can go through the manual way. It's totally depend on you. Here actually you can see a month ago I already added an or deploy an file. So Netlify make it super easy to host static website straight from your GitHub repo. So now you just need to connect your GitHub. Once you are Netlify, you just need to click add new site and choose import an existing project, like select GitHub as a Git provider, authorize Netlify, and then pick the repository you want to deploy. So let's configure and deploy, like set the building setting, like for basic static sites you usually don't need to change anything. Make sure the branch is correct, usually main or master. Then you just need to click to the deploy, and Netlify will build and deploy your project automatically. So let's try to deploy it anything. So I will just click this one. This is our project. So here you can see we have a couple of repository over that place. So I will click this one. It is one member over here, and we are using the free. And here I will click on add new project and then import an existing project. So let's deploy project with, I will connect to the GitHub, and here you just need to be provide to authorize the thing. So here actually it already been authorized, and here you can see it that our existing repositories already been landed in here. And let's select this one, testing, and you can give a name. Let's give a name that Netlify project, and here project name is not available, so find it out. 1 2 3 4 nah, and it is available. So here branch to deploy main, and here you can add things like click on deploy, and it will be deployed over that place. Here you can see building. So now click over that place, and here you can cancel it or you can preview the project. Let's click this one, view deploy preview, and here you can see our site is live right now and starting your processing. Now the deploy log is working. So here it is in progress, so it will take a couple of minutes, then our deploy will be complete. Then we are allowed to preview our project on our desktop easily or any kind of a mobile or any device. Now you just need to be like, once you are done, Netlify gives you live URL you can share immediately, and that's it. Your GitHub project is live on Netlify. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Thanks for you. See you in the next one with an interesting topic again.